Namaste, मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो सुई इंदौर से. So it's Friday 2 p.m. and I'm back with something new and something different. And this time something new is related to dupattas. Yes, they are related to dupattas. This time our suit sets are different because of their dupattas. We have suit sets with Georgette dupattas. So whatever today I am showing you, those all suit sets are with Georgette dupattas. So let me start showing you. And there are lot of variety. They are with Dabu and they are with Kalamkari. And yes, we have something very unique and very different for you people as a showstopper. So stay tuned with us till the end of the video. And जो हमारे साथ नए जुड़े हुए हैं उनको हम बता दें, at the end of the video you will get all the pictures of the products जो हम आज आपको शो करने वाले हैं. So let me start showing you today's products. So firstly I'll show you Kalamkari suit sets. So ये हमने यहाँ पर डिस्प्ले किया हुआ है. So this is how the suit sets will be. They are on pure cottons. So this is your kurta fabric, and this is bottom, and this is dupatta, and the all dupattas are 2.5 meter with georgettes. ये देखिए. So this will be like this. Pictures में थोड़े से दुपट्टास जो है बहुत क्लियर नहीं दिखते हैं बिकॉज ये जॉर्जेट है, बट मैं आपको सारा ऐसे दिखाती जाऊंगी. सो दीज आर द सूट सेट्स दैट वी हैव ऑन कलमकारी. सो मैं आपको सारे पूरे नहीं खोलूँगी, बट आई विल शो यू ऑल द प्रिंट्स. So this will be your kurta and bottom and dupatta. So I will start showing you the different prints. So this is second piece. It's on cream base. So this will be like आपका ये kurta हो जाएगा. And this will be your bottom fabric. And it has this dupatta. So this is how the suit sets will be. So फटाफट I'll show you the Kalamkari ones. So this is the next combination. Please come closer. So you can see this is the kurta and this is the dupatta. Dupatta and bottom print will be same. So this is the next combination. It's a greyish blue color. और मैं आपको बता दूं कि थोड़ा बहुत कलर कॉम्बिनेशन में डिफरेंस आएगा सॉरी. और आपका जो ये बॉर्डर्स हैं सारे सूट सेट्स में बॉर्डर्स हैं. सो यू कैन सेट दीज बॉर्डर्स ऑल्सो. द नेक्स्ट पीस इज अगेन ऑन द क्रीम बेस एंड दिस इज द दुपट्टा. आपको इसमें ज़्यादा अच्छे से दिखेगा इसलिए मैं आपको ऐसे दिखा रही हूँ, और पिक्चर्स में तो आपको दिख ही जाएगा. सो फैब्रिक जो रहेगा बॉटम का ऐसे अंदर रहेगा. एंड इट्स अ लवली मस्टर्ड कलर कॉम्बिनेशन and this will be your bottom. Each and every color is so beautiful, and this is on the black base and this will be your bottom, and this is your dupatta. This is again the black base and this will be the dupatta. And they all are 2.5 meter top, bottom and dupatta, and it's a red color, and this will be the dupatta, and ये रहेगा इसका bottom, and this is the maroon base. This is kurta with lovely print, and this will be the dupatta. The next is again red and with this lovely dupatta and bottom inside. This will be the bottom. So dupatta और bottom का same हो गया. It's a lovely rust color. I'll open this piece for you. So आप देख सकते हैं जैसे ये अपना फैब्रिक हो गया, and it has this lovely dupatta. So जो ये लुक आता है दुपट्टे का, those who want to carry दुपट्टा but बहुत हल्का सा चाहिए, so it goes like this. Nice combination. एंड इसका जो बॉटम का फैब्रिक है दैट इज एट द बैक साइड. सो इसमें ये सेम प्रिंट होता है जो दुपट्टा और बॉटम का. सो क्विकली आई शो यू द नेक्स्ट पीसेस. इट्स अ लवली ग्रीन कलर एंड इट हैज़ दिस दुपट्टा. again a different print of green color. So this is your bottom and this is your dupatta. The next we have is on the red color. So this is kurta and this is dupatta. And the next is on the mustard color. So this is kurta and this is dupatta. The fabric is so soft and comfortable to carry. And this is the last piece on the grayish blue color. It's a nice print. So these were the beautiful sets that we have on the kalamkari. Now I'll show you on the dabu prints. Okay. So this is the first color. It's a pure cotton set with the self textured fabric. मैं आपको ऐसे दिखा रही हूँ, फिर पूरा खोल के दिखाती हूँ. And this will be like your kurta and bottom. It's a grey color and it has this lovely dupatta. Okay, so these are the different concept that we have for the first time. And इसके जो borders हैं, they are with just a touch of golden color. Can you see? It's not a very shiny or bright golden, very settled color, and it's look nice. So this is the first combination that we have. The second we have is on indigo. So this is, sorry, the kurta print will go like this, and this will be the bottom, and it has this lovely dupatta. So it goes like this. And you see the texture of the dupatta is very beautiful. And the second print that we have in indigo. So this will be the your kurta and bottom. And it has this beautiful dupatta. And of course dupatta जिससे ही जैसे साड़ी में हम बोलते हैं ब्यूटीफुल ब्लाउज गिव अ वेरी नाइस लुक. द सेम विद द सूट सेट्स. इसका लुक देखिए कितना प्यारा है. सो द थर्ड प्रिंट दैट वी हैव इन इंडिगो इज दिस. इट्स अ ट्रायंगल्स. सो दिस इज कुर्ता, दिस इज बॉटम एंड दिस इज दुपट्टा. अब देखो हर एक दुपट्टा जो है वो अलग है. इसमें ये प्लेन दिया हुआ है बिकॉज किसी को कुछ पसंद है, किसी को कुछ पसंद है. सो वी जस्ट ट्राई टू डू द डिफरेंट वेरिएशंस विद द दुपट्टास दिस टाइम. सो दिस इज द थर्ड प्रिंट दैट वी हैव. द नेक्स्ट वी हैव, इट्स अ डार्क ग्रे कलर. So this will be the kurta and this is the bottom, and it has this dupatta. Next we have, it's a very beautiful onion pink color. So this is kurta, this is bottom, and it has this dupatta. क्लोजली यू कैन सी इट्स अ लवली कलर. एंड प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड कि जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ और जो पिक्चर्स आते हैं थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन रहता है कलर्स में. एंड दिस इज़ द सेकंड प्रिंट दैट वी हैव ऑन द ग्रे कलर. सो दिस इज़ द कलर एंड यू कैन सी द टेक्सचर ऑफ द दुपट्टा इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट डिफरेंट. इट्स अ कॉटन बाय सिल्क दुपट्टा. And the pricing for all these suit sets are different. Kalamkari one are for 1650 and these are for 1850. So this is the next color. It's a lovely green color, a different shade of the green. So this is the kurta, this is the bottom, and it has this beautiful dupatta. And the pricing for these suit sets, kalamkari one are for 1650, these are for 1850. The next is a very beautiful mehndi green color with this zigzag is kurta. This is your bottom and it has this lovely dupatta. It's a very nice color. It's a light shade of the mehndi green. And the last piece, it's on the peach color. Can you see the texture and the color? So this will be your kurta bottom and it has this dupatta. So ऐसे जाएगा the आपके flowers जो है they will come like this. It's a lovely color. So guys, these were the beautiful collection that we have on Dabu. We have more pieces. It's a purple color with this regular Georgette dupatta and these are also for 1650. We have one more print in the purple. So this is kurta bottom and this is the dupatta. This is a very lovely shade of purple. It's very much in and very perfect for the regular wear. Sorry, these all are in mull cotton. This is the next. We have 3 colors in the purple. So it goes like this. The next is onion pink. So this is your kurta and bottom and it has this very light weighted dupatta. These all are for 1650. The next is with a lovely mustard color with this dupatta. These are very soft and perfect for this humid. And the next we have this again indigo, but this indigo is on mull cotton. These are the pieces. So this is your kurta and this is your dupatta. बॉटम का फैब्रिक आप पूरा पिक्चर्स में देख पाएंगे. So this is your kurta and it has this dupatta. Pieces. This is your kurta. It has this dupatta. So guys, we are having today's few cotton by silk sets also. They are all on Dabu sets. But just now I have shown you the cotton ones with Georgette dupattas and these one are cotton by silk fabric. So you can see the all of the fabric like this. I'll open one piece for you. So it's like, so you can see it's like falling fabric. It's cotton by silk fabric and this is a bottom. So it will be like 2.5 meter each. It is your kurta bottom and it has this Georgette dupatta. So this is the first piece that we have. The second again we have something on indigo only. So this is your kurta bottom. आप पूरा पिक्चर्स देख सकते हैं पिक्चर्स में. अभी I'll just show you फटाफट. So So this is the next combination. And one more piece on this. So this is your kurta bottom, and this is the dupatta. And the fabric is very nice. You can see इसका जो ये फॉल आ रहा है, it's very nice. It's on grey. It's a light grey color. So this is your kurta, and this is your dupatta. It's a light grey color. And one more piece we have in it. So this is kurta, and then this is your dupatta. And next we have, it's lovely Indian pink color kurta bottom. There are few pieces जिसमें attached है अभी तक bottom, so that's why मैंने खोल के नहीं दिखाया आपको. So this is like, but सब में 2.5 मीटर kurta and bottom. So this is the combination. Next we have, it's a lovely so very lovely. It's a lovely tone of peach. You just have a look closer. And the next we have dark grey colors combination. So this is your kurta, this is your bottom. So the kurta will be like this, and a lovely dabu. Sorry, I just want to say it's a with polka dots, and this is like this. The next piece that we have, the last piece of this lot, is again a grey color, and this is the kurta. This is your bottom, and it has this lovely dupatta. So guys, these were all on cotton by silk fabric, little bit of premium quality fabric. And the pricing for these sets are 2250, 2250 each. So now it's the time to show you the showstopper of today's video. So here we have, it's a very lovely premium quality cotton, a mustard color, and the fabric is hand woven fabric. Okay, you can see the texture is very nice, and it has this lovely patchwork done with a portly buttons in a very different style. And this is the bottom, indigo bottom. Has this beautiful chiffon का दुपट्टा, and इसका जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर, so it's give a very elegant look to it. I'll just show you. It's a very nice, very easy to carry. When you carry it, it's very nice and easy to fall. And the second piece that we have, again a medium quality cotton, and it goes like this. इसका जो पूरा, ये फोटो में थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं दिखेगा because it's quite difficult. So it goes like this. It is like this. It's on the grey color, and it has this bottom, mustard color, and it has this lovely dupatta with it. So it's a lovely combination and color. So these were the two showstopper we have this time for you. Hope you like the collection, and I know now you all must be waiting to know what is the offer of the day. So this is the offer of the day. So guys, for order you can connect with us at WhatsApp 9039717636. Now you can see all the pictures of these suit sets with their details. And have a nice weekend. See you next week, same time, same channel, with Anuja Jain from Studio Sri Dhaga Indore. Thank you.